Good morning, State Board of Education members. My name is Jennifer Fleck. I'm a parent of a sixth grader at Lake Travis Middle School in Austin, and I am an attorney. I will address human sexuality instruction in the public schools. All human sexuality instruction is taught in two ways. One is risk avoidance, and one is risk reduction. The TEKS, K through 12, clearly state avoid alcohol, avoid drugs, avoid harming yourself, and avoid sexual activity. This is risk avoidance, and it promotes the healthiest outcomes. We do not teach children to safely drink alcohol or safely do drugs or safely harm themselves, but districts do allow curricula to teach safe ways to engage in sexual activity. This method is called risk reduction. The risk reduction teaching method assumes that all or most teens from the age of 12 are sexually active. Rather than teaching students to avoid sexual activity, it teaches the students safe ways to engage in sexual activity. I have reviewed the content of about a dozen curricula. The risk reduction curricula all have one thing in common. They all violate Texas law for many reasons, but most importantly because the underlying premise is this: teens can engage in safe sexual activity if teens limit their sexual activity to feeling on each other or use a condom. Because this is the premise of every risk reduction curricula, safe sex is their harmful devotion. And devoting more attention to abstinence from sexual activity than any other behavior, as the law requires, does not happen.